Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody is doing well. I am Bearded Ford Tech. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting subscribe. I want to talk to you about the 2021 through 2024 Bronco, and if you have a click rattle noise in the front. So let's go ahead and talk about that right now. There's actually a TSB for this click, thump, rattle noise in the front, and it's caused by if you're driving in four-wheel low or rock crawling for extended periods of time. It can crack the front differential case mounting bracket. So let's go ahead and go in here to the computer and take a look at that TSB and what you gotta do to fix this thing. You see it right here, 2021 through 24 Bronco 2.3 and 2.7 front end noise. Click or clink, clunk. I know I said clunk, thump, same crap. It's the front differential mount frame bracket cracked or broken, and this is going to be TSB 242408, and we're going to go here and click on it, and it's telling you 21 through 24 Broncos, and that's all of them, not a specific assembly plant. That's all of them. Engine 2.3 and a 2.7. Says some 21 through 24 Broncos. I know I just said all of them, but I'm saying all of them, not from a certain plant, but 21 through 24 models equipped with the 2.3 or the 2.7 may exhibit a loud front end clink clunk noise that leads to identification of a cracked or broken front differential frame mount bracket. This may be due to the flexing of the front differential from driving it in four low for extended periods of time. To correct the concern, repair the mounting bracket using the frame bracket repair kit and update the all-wheel drive module to the latest software using the latest software version of FDRS, which is Ford Diagnostic Repair Systems scan tool. And note, advise the customer that 4L and rock crawl drive mode should only be used when necessary, as using 4 low when not necessary can cause damage to the vehicle. Refer to the owner's manual for additional information. You know, the little manual that nobody ever reads, the coffee table book. Read that. It tells you everything you need to know. It says follow the service procedure to correct the condition. Is it a 21 through 24 Bronco? Obviously. 2.3 or 2.7? Obviously. One of the following symptoms: clink clunk noise from the front end, cracked or broken front differential frame mount bracket. And this is the parts list. You got frame bracket repair kit, stabilizer link nut, the undershield bolt, stabilizer bar nut, stabilizer bar stud, the cup bolt retaining straps, axle nut for the vehicles built on or after August 23rd, 23. Axle nut for it's two different part numbers. Oh, let's see, caliper bracket bolt, hub bolts, 2 different years. Tie rod nut, upper ball joint nut, CV shaft retainer, lower ball joint nut, drain plug, front axle mount bolt, axle extension bolt, and washer assembly. Front axle mount bolt, ball joint, shield bolt, and then only if necessary, the stabilizer bar bushing, the axle seal, the thrust bearing, and some 75/85 premium synthetic hypoid gear lubricant. Now, these are labor times. 21 through 24 Bronco, inspect, pass, program the all-wheel drive module, road test. No other labor operations. What is it going to give you just to do that? 0.6 hours. Okay. We're just going to kind of go down. Equipped without part-time engagement, inspect and fail, repair the differential, and then you go down. It's the Bronco equipment without part-time engagement and the sway bar disconnect, inspect and fail. So that was 5.5 and 6.1, 5.6, 6.2, 1.1, 1.2. So we were on the third one. All right, so now down to the fourth. Bronco equipped with part-time engagement, inspect, fail, repair. Bronco equipped with part-time engagement and with sway bar disconnect. And then additional time to adjust camber and front tow, additional time to adjust camber and front tow equipped with lane departure. That was that 1.1 and 1.2. So it's about 7 hours, give or take, to fix that. And using a mirror, inspect the front differential frame mounting bracket. Is the front differential frame mount bracket cracked similar to figure 2? There's figure 1. There's figure 2. That big old red circle right there. That's the mount bracket. Is it cracked? Yes, proceed to step 2. Repair the front differential frame mount bracket using the frame mount bracket repair kit. Repair to the installation instructions in the sheet that's included in the kit. Update the all-wheel drive module. So that there was released, I think today, and what you got to go through to fix that. So if you got a click, clunk, rattle, I don't want to say rattle, click, clunk, whatever that said in the TSB, that could be your problem if you're driving in four-wheel low or rock crawling for extended periods of time, or when you're not supposed to be using it. So it's a big job to fix that. And so if you're having that issue, get it into the dealer, have them check it out, or you can get up underneath there with a mirror and check it out. And if it is cracked, then you'll kind of get a head start and know what's going on. As always, I appreciate it. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next one.